Let me be upfront with you right now. If you have ever talked yourself out of starting a YouTube channel because you did not want to appear on camera, I need you to stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share might completely change the direction of your life. There are people right now, completely anonymous, hidden behind a microphone or a screen recorder, pulling in thousands of dollars every single month from YouTube. And nobody knows who they are. Not their neighbors, not their coworkers, not even their own families sometimes. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how introverts and camera-shy creators are building real income on YouTube without ever showing their face. And I'm going to break down every method so you can figure out which one fits your life. So let us start with something that might surprise you. YouTube does not actually care what you look like. The algorithm does not reward attractive people or punish shy ones. It rewards watch time, clicks, and engagement. That means if your content keeps people watching, then you win, period. The face on camera thing is a habit we picked up from traditional media, from television and news and vlogs. But YouTube has evolved far beyond that. And some of the fastest growing channels right now have zero human presence on screen whatsoever. So let us stop treating the camera as a requirement and start treating it as one option among many. The first major path for faceless creators is what most people in this space call cash cow channels or automated YouTube channels. The idea here is simple. You pick a niche, you create content around that niche using voiceovers and visuals, and you monetize through ad revenue. The niches that perform best for this model tend to be things like finance, health, self-improvement, history, true crime, and technology. Why those categories specifically? Because they attract audiences that are serious, that watch long videos, and that advertisers pay top dollar to reach. A 10-minute video about personal finance or investment strategies can earn dramatically more per 1,000 views than a 10-minute video about something with low advertiser interest. So niche selection here is not just a creative decision, it's a financial one. Here is how a typical cash cow channel gets built. You start by identifying a niche with strong advertiser demand, and then you write a script or you hire someone to write it for you. You record a voiceover, or again, you hire a voice artist. You source stock footage, animations, or screen recordings to serve as the visual layer. You edit everything together, add music, captions, and thumbnails, and then you upload. And then you rinse and repeat. Channels operating this model at scale are sometimes producing 4 to 8 videos per week. Now, you probably are not going to do that solo right away, and that's fine. Starting with one solid video per week and growing from there is a completely viable path. The second major approach is screen recording content, which is perfect for people with a skill or knowledge base that they can share on screen. Think about tutorials, software walkthroughs, how-to guides, coding lessons, editing demonstrations, or even gaming. Your face is never required here. Your screen becomes the star. Channels built around teaching people how to use tools like Canva, Adobe software, Excel, or even social media platforms can grow incredibly quickly because people are constantly searching for help with these things. Every time someone gets confused by a software update or needs to learn a new skill, they go to YouTube. If your video answers their question, you earn a view, and eventually you earn money. The third approach that introverts tend to absolutely love is the audio-only format. This means you are recording your voice but not showing your face, and you are pairing it with simple visuals like a static image, an animated logo, or a relevant slideshow. Podcast-style channels do exceptionally well with this format, especially in niches like business, spirituality, true crime, and storytelling. Some of the biggest YouTube channels in the true crime space are simply a voice-over, dark atmospheric visuals with no face, no identity revealed, and some of them have millions of subscribers that earn genuinely life-changing money. Now let us talk about how you actually make that money, because this is where it gets interesting. Ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program is the most well-known path, but it is actually just the beginning. To qualify for the Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days, if you are using the shorts format. Once you hit those thresholds, ads start running on your content and you earn a percentage of what advertisers pay. The amount varies wildly by niche, but finance and business channels can earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per thousand views, while entertainment channels might earn $1 to $3 per thousand views. That difference is enormous, and it is exactly why niche selection matters so much. But here is what separates the creators who make decent money from the ones who build real wealth on YouTube. They do not rely on ad revenue alone. They stack multiple income streams on top of each other. The most powerful of these for faceless channels is affiliate marketing. This is where you can recommend products or services and earn a commission when someone purchases through your link. If your channel teaches people about productivity software, you link to that software in your description with your affiliate code. If your channel talks about investing, then link to brokerage platforms or financial tools. Some creators in the finance space earn more from affiliate commissions in a single month than most people earn from a salary. And again, none of this requires you to show your face. Sponsored content is another income stream that opens up as your channel grows. Brands will pay you to mention their product or integrate it naturally into your video. For faceless channels, this often looks like a 30 to 60 second audio segment in the middle of the video where you talk about the sponsor in your own words. As your audience grows, these sponsorship deals can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars per video. Some niches attract premium sponsors faster than others. Tech, finance, productivity, and health tend to bring in sponsors earlier at higher rates. And then there is digital products. This is where creators who have built trust with their audience can start packaging their knowledge into something sellable. An ebook, an online course, a template pack, a membership community, a coaching program. If your channel teaches people how to edit videos and you have 10,000 subscribers who trust your content, even converting a small fraction of that audience into course buyers at a reasonable price can generate significant income. The beautiful thing about digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over again. There is no inventory, no shipping, and no upper limit on how many times you can sell the same thing. Now let me speak directly to the introverts in the room for a moment, because there are specific advantages that naturally quiet and internally focused people can bring to this space that nobody talks about enough. Introverts tend to be exceptional researchers. They go deep on topics rather than skimming the surface. That depth translates directly into better content, more comprehensive videos, and longer watch times. Introverts also tend to be more thoughtful communicators. They think before they speak, which means their scripts and voiceovers often feel more carefully crafted and genuinely informative. And introverts often have a natural tolerance for the solitary work that building a YouTube channel actually requires. The hours of research, scripting, editing, and refining that extroverts might find draining are often energizing for people who prefer working alone. So how do you actually get started today? Here is a simple framework. First, choose your niche based on 3 things. What do you know or genuinely find interesting? What has demonstrated advertiser demand? And what has an audience actively searching for content? You can research this by looking at what kinds of channels in your area of interest are already growing, checking keyword search volumes using free tools, and studying what types of videos in your niche get the most views. You do not need to invent something new. You just need to execute an existing proven format better than the average person currently doing it. Second, set up the minimum viable studio. For a faceless channel, this does not require much. A decent USB microphone, which you can find for under $100, is your most important investment. Good audio quality is what separates professional sounding content from amateur content faster than almost any other factor. Beyond that, you need screen recording software if you are going that route, or a subscription to a stock footage site if you are building a narrated educational channel. And you need basic video editing software, many of which have free versions that are perfectly functional for beginners. Third, commit to a publishing schedule that you can actually maintain. This is the part where most people fail. They launch their channel with enormous energy, publish 2 or 3 videos, and get frustrated by low view counts and quit. But the algorithm rewards consistency over perfection. 1 video per week for 6 months will almost always outperform 3 videos in a week followed by 2 months of silence. Show up regularly, improve incrementally, and trust the compounding effect of time. Fourth, study your analytics obsessively once you start publishing. YouTube gives you data on exactly how long people are watching your videos, where they drop off, and what thumbnails they click on, and where your traffic is coming from. This is gold. Every video you publish is a data point. Every data point teaches you something about what your specific audience responds to. Over time, you develop an instinct for what works in your niche that no course or book can give you, because it is earned through real experience with your real audience. And finally, reinvest in your channel early. When you start earning money, resist the urge to treat it as personal income immediately. Reinvesting even a portion of early earnings into better equipment, outsourced editing, higher quality stock footage, or professional thumbnail design can accelerate your growth significantly. Many successful faceless channel owners eventually build small teams around their content while remaining completely anonymous to their audience. That is the end game for many in this space, to have a business that runs largely without them, generating passive or semi-passive income while they either manage it from behind the scenes or move on to the next channel entirely. YouTube has never been more accessible to people who work best out of the spotlight. The tools exist. The audience exists. The money is real. And your introversion is not a liability in this space. It might actually be one of your greatest strengths. The only thing standing between you and a faceless channel that earns real money is the decision to start. So here is my challenge to you. Before you close this video, open a new browser tab and type in one niche idea that you have been sitting on. Just one step, because every channel that exists today started with someone who had no subscribers, no views, and nothing but a decision to begin. So if you're ready to begin now, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in that next video.